It's another beautiful day outside. I wonder what the others are doing. I should go check. Tally ho! Hey guys!
Hi!
What are you guys up to?
Hey, nothing much. We're just chilling.
Yeah, nothing much.
Yeah, we're just sitting around.
So, have anything for us to do today?
Yeah, I really want to do something today. Hey, get off me.
I wasn't doing.
As a nature expert, I would know something to do. But right
Like
now,
go in the woods.
go in the woods? The woods is a dangerous place.
With worms and snakes. And aren't you a adventure cat? Not just a normal cat, adventure cat. So let's go in the woods.
I'm Nature Cat, backyard explorer extraordinaire.
Yeah, not adventure
You
cat.
really don't need adventure cat.
Anyways, I don't know what to do. We've been spending a whole day out in nature.
So we can go to the woods.
No.
Aren't you nature cat? Not just a regular cat. I am nature cat.
I am Nature Cat, but the woods is home to tons of deer, and
Yeah.
we don't want to disturb their
Robin
home.
Hood can't go in there.
I'm not Robin Hood, Hal. I'm Nature Cat.
Yeah.
Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Anyway, if we want to do something including nature, I would just recommend we
Get
kinda
hit
go
by that car
on
right there.
a nature adventure walk. So like it's basically like a walk, but it's like an adventure. Or we could just get hit by that car right there.
No, we're not going to get hit by cars. We're going to go on an adventure.
Our owners would be dead. They would be so sad.
Yeah, we get it. Anyways, come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Tally ho! Oh man, it's very windy today. Ah! Oh, we certainly got adventure today. Whoa! Ah! Ooh.
What is up with this wind?
I don't know. I want to do our nature walk. Even though there's wind, we are still gonna go on our nature walk.
No, we're not. I quit.
Nope, no quitting.
Yeah,
We're
no
going.
Oh, whatever. Ooh, this is gonna be fun.
Yes, it will.
Yeah.
Kind of cold.
Yeah.
It is a little cold.
Freezing out.
We should have wore better clothing, but we didn't.
I mean, I have a sweatshirt back at my house.
Maybe we should have thought of that. Oh well,
Yeah.
we're on the nature walk already. Come on, tally ho!
Guys, excuse me. Please stop here. It's really.
Guys,
It's not that cold.
I mean, you're wearing clothes, and I have my fur, but Hal, you have fur too. So why you?
I don't have much. Yeah, but we should be able to survive. It's not that cold. Plus, I think today's the first or maybe second day of fall. So,
It's the first.
it's not that cold. Thanks, Captain Obvious.
Let's just continue this walk so we can get it over with.
Sure, Micey Mouse.
Oh yeah, thanks a lot, Jack Frost. Ah! Oh, that looks fun. Ah! The wind is pushing me back.
No! Come on, Squeaks, get up. We need to go.
No!
Hal, how do you have a rubber band on you?
Yeah, he just found it on the street, probably.
I put it. I found it on the street and then.
Ah, there's a car.
There's a car. Oh no, come on. We need to go.
Oh no!
Oh no. Daisy too. Guys, are you okay?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not okay. Guys,
Come on.
there's another. We need to go. Yeah, I'm just.
Oh no. Okay, come on, Squeaks, get up. We're still continuing our nature walk.
Are you really sure, Nature Cat?
Yeah.
It's kind of some bad
Yeah.
conditions.
Yeah, it's
Ah,
really windy. Yeah, it's really windy.
And very cold.
And
Yeah.
we just got hit by a car, so I'm leaving.
You know what? Fine. I'm still going.
What? You're still going? We're too far in. We must finish it.
What? Ooh, that's the spirit.
The spirit. There's a car right there. Ah!
Oh man, it is getting pretty windy.
Oh yeah, I can't even walk back because it's too windy right now.
So we just have to go forward. Tally ho!
If we really wanted to, we could blow ourselves with the wind and get back.
Ooh, that's a good idea.
Let me try.
Yeah, I don't think that worked.
Oh, that was so...
Bye, guys! Well, I guess he bailed out. Come on, we'll find him. We need to continue.
No, we won't. He's dead.
This is very adventurous.
There's no way.
There's no way. This is still adventurous.
Yeah, that's how dangerous this is. We should have gone in the woods. Your new name is Adventure Cat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Adventure cat.
Oh, there's puddles. Oh, my God.
Puddles. Ooh.
Oh no, this is just gonna make us more cold. That's not a good idea. How?
How? Squacky.
No. Get out of the puddle, guys. You see, this is what happens. Get off me. Ow. This is what happens when we go on an adventure. I'm going.
Okay, at least none of us will get back in. Whoa! Oh.
I'm leaving, or the wind just takes me.
Come on, get out of the puddle. We're almost home.
Yeah, come on.
Almost. Ugh, I'm soaked.
Well, I mean, you could have just stayed your ground and tried not to get wet.
Whatever. Come on.
The wind took me in.
No way, he landed! Squacky! Squacky, how did you do that?
Well, your butt hurts, so I shouldn't.
Come on. Man, now it's even colder! It's a miracle!
Let me try again.
Now it's even colder. No, he didn't land. Oh yeah, you can make shapes of yourself.
Look, I made
Ooh, that
a
looks
shape.
pretty good. Now it's even colder. It's okay.
No, it's not.
I'm extremely cold now, Nature Cat.
Hey, but I made a cool shape.
Awesome.
Look, guys.
Yeah, we should go home.
Cool. Okay, we should get home because this nature walk has turned into a disaster.
You guys fell into the puddle and you're probably freezing now.
I'm freezing. I'm so cold.
Yeah, me too. You don't need to see. You don't need to say "see" like 1,000 times.
Okay.
You
come
know,
on.
right? Right. I'm gonna
Sure. Okay. We need to make it home. We're
am-
so close to get back to the backyard. We need to go.
Nah, I'm stopping here. I'm gonna sit down.
See the wind helping us. Ready? Here we go. Tally ho!
You mean the wind's killing us?
No, it's okay. Ah! Okay. Okay.
We're not home yet. Look at these leaves. They're still blowing.
Okay. We made it home.
Oh, I'm still laying on the ground. I could say I do want to
That was a disaster.
walk again, but
Not
not
in these
No, and a no. And a no for you too. And a no for you too.
Okay,
And a no for you.
we won't do it.
No. No.